Hey, Brian from Garage Will Haul. Today I have the DK0S30G125. It is their random orbital sander, so it's nice and compact, you can tell from the box. So let's open it up and see everything that we get inside. And we're actually going to sand down. This is one of my work tables that I use on the lift side of my studio. And it gets pretty beat up, so I like to keep it nice and sanded just to cut down on like splinters and stuff. So let's open the box up. So you can see everything inside. Basically, you have your directions, and then you have the orbital sander ready to go. And it's got a bunch of sanding pads that come with it, which is super awesome. It looks like there's a bunch of different grit ones, so let's open them up and take a look and see what size that we actually get. So it looks like, starting from the back, you get like a P400, which is kind of like your really thin, the polished look that you're looking for. So it looks like you got 3 of those. You got the P120s, which is kind of like, you know, it's still like a fine, a little bit of a rougher. Looks like we got 3 of those as well, so that's pretty cool. P60s, which are definitely like a more of a grittier sand that we're going to use. You got your P240s, which are like your, you know, fine ones as well. Then you get your P1000s, which is something that, like, you probably use that to give you anything. You can almost get like a mirror finish with that. That is how fine those are. And then you got a P80, which is a pretty aggressive sand to do. So let me see what one we're going to probably use on this. I think I'm probably going to use like the 120. So it gives us kind of an aggressive but mild sand job, if I'm so inclined to say. Okay, so here are the directions. So also protected in plastic. Let's open that up. So that is basically your regular instruction manual. Just kind of goes through some of the definite things you want to go through. I know what orbital sanders, especially the random ones, you don't want to press too hard ever. So let's get this out of the plastic. Okay, so that is a sharp looking, that's pretty cool. It's a pretty good looking sander. Anyway, so you have your selection button here on the side, and that will probably give you like the speed and stuff you want. It's got a nice Velcro pad on the bottom, and then we'll put the pad on there, and that sticks really nice. Oh, and it's got the dust holes, so definitely try to make sure that you match that up, so all the holes in the pad match up with that, because it has this I got it all dirty already. It's got this little vacuum piece on the back that will collect your sawdust for you. So it's going to make sure that you get, actually let me see here. We got a little, okay, so it's got the little notch here at the bottom. Push that in. It's got an O-ring on it, so it's going to keep it nice and situated. And since it is new, we'll just rock it back and forth a little bit. I think that's in there pretty nice. Let's get the cord unwound. And that's on there. Okay, here we go. So they give you a generous length of cord on there, which is always good. I don't think any tools have enough cord, but I guess they kind of figure you're always going to have an extension cord laying around here somewhere. So. And it's kind of hard to show, but this is, I mean, this thing is like pretty rough. Anyway, even though it has a dust filter, I'm going to wear a dust mask, safety first. Always wear goggles or some type of safety glass. And let me get this on here. Okay, nice fit. Put my glasses on. And then your power switch is here in the front. And then that is your low speed. Let's speed it up. So you got 6 speeds. We're trying to do like in the middle. All right, so all done sanding. That did a nice job, and like I can actually run my hand across this. I don't have to worry about getting any splinters. And you can see it made fast work of bringing a lot of this grain out. I'm actually, again, it's a work table. I'll probably end up like staining and sealing this just so it doesn't get as splintered as I let it go. And then just to show you how much dust and dirt has got out of here. I mean, that filtered quite a bit. And there's just still a whole bunch in there. So, I mean, it made fast work of sanding down. Anyway, my what a great sander. Brian from Garage Wall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. All right.